milk is stored in the center lumen of the alveoli. This alveoli is surrounded by alveolar epithelial cells. Here myoepithelial cells. In the center there is a lumen. Milk is secreted and stored in lumen of the alveolus, then come into the duct and then ejected into the lactiferous duct. Which factor controls the development and function of the mammary gland? We studied now, that is the function of the mammary gland is produce and release of the milk. Answer is that hormones. We know that hormones are the chemical messengers. Here is the picture of the 10 to 14 years age girls, that is puberty age. We already know about the meaning of the puberty. It is the age at which the reproductive systems get mature. Hormones like estrogen and progesterone hormone, what they do? They control the development of mammary glands during puberty. Another hormone, lactotrophic hormone or prolactin and oxytocin hormone. Both these hormones work during pregnancy and parturition. What is the parturition? That is delivery of the baby, birth of the baby. Lactotrophic hormone helps in the development of lactiferous tubules, and oxytocin helps in ejection of milk after parturition. Here is the diagram. Now question arises, from which source this hormone gets secreted? Answer is pituitary gland. Where pituitary gland is present? This pituitary gland is present on the ventral wall of the brain, that is hypothalamus. This pituitary gland is a small sized endocrine gland. It contains two parts, anterior lobe or anterior pituitary, posterior lobe, or it is known as posterior pituitary. This hormone, lactotrophic hormone, secreted from the anterior pituitary. And this anterior pituitary secreted this hormone during pregnancy and breastfeeding by baby. The role of lactotrophy: stimulates growth of mammary glands, helps in the development of lactiferous tubules and milk production. The question asked in CET exam mostly, that is, continuous milk secretion is under the influence of which hormone? The correct answer is prolactin. Here. Another hormone, oxytocin. What is the function of oxytocin? In previous slide we understand that oxytocin stimulates the milk ejection from the breast in response to suckling by baby. And these hormones secreted from the posterior lobe, that is posterior pituitary. After parturition, this hormone plays an important role in the milk ejection.